Hey there, Tom from Sparky Nearby. Just wanted to walk you through some damp solutions for a moist kind of environment like this rainforest house we're in at the moment. It's down the bottom of a hill as well, so a lot of groundwater coming down. So what we've installed for the customer is some underfloor fans. So what we've got here is some underfloor exhaust fans. These guys are sucking air in, and we've got some on the other side of the house that are sucking out. So under here we've got these exhaust fans. You can see over here, this is the back side of one of them. It's going to suck that fresh air in here, and it's going to get rid of all the moist air that's underneath here. You can see the floor's quite damp, so we set a timer so it comes on at intervals throughout the day, and we'll basically exhaust the air out, and then we've got more fans on the other side that suck the air to outside. That'll get rid of most of it. If you have a really serious damp situation like this house does, we even go as far as putting moisture barriers on the roof. There's a couple different techniques for this, but this is one where it prevents that moist air from permeating through your floor up to upstairs. So it all stays in here, gets sucked out, and pretty good outcome. You know, this house now is nice and dry. Used to have massive damp issues beforehand, mold and stuff like that. So need any damp solutions, give Sparky Nearby a call.